Hi friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Selector Sub and Crowbar. Are you writing automation code with Selenium and C Sharp? If yes, then trust me, this is going to save a huge amount of time on a daily basis while writing this script. You will be saving a lot of time. Like imagine like same task which you are doing in 1 minute, you would be able to do just in 2 seconds. Let me show you how. So suppose for an example, this is a very simple code, simple for C Sharp. So you are writing your script like this way. It could be of course for you it could be like in a framework format and like standard. So for an example, this way you are writing your script: driver.find element by.xpath, and there you are writing xpath. So suppose our test case is something like this, that we have to get all the headers values at this test project website. So what we will do, we will inspect this and then click on inspect. Then we will writing the xpath value here, like /a. So as soon as we type, this goes up. Again inspect, type value here, let's say with platform. So take the platform @title is equal to platform. Okay, so this is one, and you will copy this value, go back to your script, paste it here, right? Like this you will be doing it. And again, like if you want to write in docs, so again you will have to type the xpath value here, and you will have to type this command, complete command, or you will have to paste that, right? And then again you will have to delete this, write the xpath, come back here, back and forth, lot of time wastage. Can we do it quickly? Yes, we can do that. Open selectorsub.com. if you haven't already installed SelectorSub, you can install for whichever browser you want. It's absolutely free. For Chrome, you just click on that Chrome and it will take you to the browser store. If you haven't installed already, you will get the button add to Chrome. Just click on that, that's all you have to do. Now come back here. I would request you, after installing, please restart the browser, click on element, click on inspect. It will open DevTools. Here on the left side DOM, right side, you will see a couple of tabs. SelectorSub will be the last tab. If you're not able to see, just expand this, you will see that it will be here. Okay, so now suppose this way it will open. By default it will open with this view. Let me just close it and again show you. When you will open, it will open in this view. Okay, so let's say you want to like right now it is getting, you are getting the xpath, relative xpath, relative css selector, everything, all possible selectors you are getting. Click on this and you can copy this value here, you can paste it here, but still you have to type this command, right? So no, you need not to type anymore this command. What you do, you just copy this command, come back here, there is a set driver command, click on this, you can paste this value here, and wherever you have written the xpath, just replace that with xpath value keyword. Press enter, you see that you got the complete command. You can also hide this attribute setting meanwhile if you doesn't want to see. You see that you got all the commands possible, and here you can click on whichever command you want. Let's say we want the xpath one, we click on this, and now you see how simple it is. You just paste. Now whatever action you want to perform on this, whether you want get text or you want click, that you can do it on it. So as simple as it is. And you now you see the magic. You just inspect this, got the value, paste it here. You inspect some other element, let's say free sign up, you click on anywhere here, you got the css selector. So everything is so simple, so fast, so quick, you can do it here. And then whatever you want, you can perform those actions over them. So quickly you can write and build your script without wasting any time. And this command is not going to change. It could be anything, like maybe because many people write their wrappers, so it could be anything. The command could be anything. You just have to replace xpath with xpath value keyword. You see that this command is updated now, and it will be saved in local. So you don't worry, need not to worry that next time when you will open SelectorSub, you will have to like set the command again. No, it will be there. If you want to make it off, you can make it off. And select, this is just one feature I have shown you. If you want to write your own xpath, you want to copy, so there is an amazing feature. Like you see that if you want to copy any of the right click, on the right click itself, from the right click itself you can copy the value, of Selector. So there are like a lot of features in Selector Sub. A quick update, I'm not working on CrowPath anymore, I'm just working on Selector Sub only, so you will not see any further update on CrowPath from me and support. So I would really request you upgrade to Selector Sub, and this is the new reality. It's an amazing selectors tool. It will help you a lot in learning like this. If you will be doing anything, you will be learning a lot, you will be saving a huge amount of time with this amazing feature like error message handling, auto suggest of attribute value. No need to copy anymore the values from DOM. Lot of features are there. If you have any question, any doubt, feel add in the comments, and also feel free to reach out, connect with me on Slack or any of the social media platform. I'm working on full time for the community on Selector Sub. With that, thank you so much.